Today we are going to talk about Compound Decentralized Financial Protocol. If you are new to DeFi, you are probably worried about security. Compound have a lot of security audits that have been done. As you can see here, they have been audited by a vast number of different firms. So what is Compound Finance? Compound Finance is a type of DeFi lending. It is an algorithmic money market protocol. In more technical terms, it allows users to deposit cryptocurrencies and earn interest on them, as well as borrow other crypto assets. Smart contracts are used to automate the storage and management of new funds on the platform. Any user with a Web 3.0 wallet such as MetaMask can connect to Compound and earn interest. What is the benefit of Compound? Suppliers and borrowers, on the other hand, are not required to negotiate. The protocol, which manages the collateral and interest rates, is directly accessed by both parties because the assets are stored in smart contracts called liquidity pools. On Compound, the interest rate for supplying and borrowing are changed according to supply and demand. The first thing you will notice when you go to Compound, you will be taken to the dashboard and then connecting to your wallet now. So on the left you have supply and on the right you have borrow, and this reflects your different positions. So you can be both a lender of crypto or a borrower of cryptocurrency within Compound. So on the left hand side you can earn interest on Compound, DAI, Ether, and the amount of interest that you can earn ROI from lending on Compound will depends on what assets you want to lend. Some assets, for example such as DAI, have a higher interest rate than Uniswap. To begin with procedure, you can choose the asset you want to interact with after unlocking it. Unlock the asset for which you desire to provide liquidity and sign a transaction through uWallet. The assets are immediately added to the pool and begin collecting interest. In general, stablecoin tend to have a higher interest rate than traditional cryptos. On the right-hand side, you have the borrow market. To begin with borrowing, users must first deposit money collateral to secure their loan. They get borrowing power in exchange, which is required to borrow on Compound. Every asset that can be supplied adds a distinct amount of borrowing power. After that, users can borrow based on their borrowing power. Compound uses the concept of over-collateralization. This indicates that in order to prevent liquidation, borrowers must provide more value than they intend to borrow. One of the most popular lending and borrowing options in DeFi is Compound. Compound is an important part of the DeFi ecosystem, as many other products integrate smart contracts into their applications. If you enjoy this video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel.